I'm Logan Harris. This is my Newton scooter project. I've got to rip my car. This is my well object to go and get 3 meters. Just a Sprite bottle. We taped it. You got a ribbon on it. So whatever the hell you.
Light kind of like.
What the heck you like to call it?
Time of day. I'm trying to say black and white. Here we go. So it's got
a straw. This thing is made out of straw. You got 12. This is the tires, and inside they got a balloon. That's basically how it runs.
So would you say that's a V8 or a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder?
Well, I believe. Okay, you know what? Yeah. So this be the cap to help this car bottle run.
Take less air when it's going.
So how does it go, Zay? What's the what propels it down the track?
The balloon inside.
The
balloon inside of the bottle helps it go.
But what's in the balloon that pushes it down the track?
Air.
There you go.
Nice good old oxygen air.
Alright, so air. So it's the compressed air from the compressor that we put in there, and the air put in the balloon. So the balloon wants to shrink, and it pushes out the air and causes propulsion.
Science.
Yay, science.
Nice, greatest.
Alright. So let me see. You guys hold your car together so I can get them both on the. Block the light.
Yeah, it looks like an old Sphinx.
Oh, and the cap that we used to help hold on the balloon was just a soap cap from a soap bottle. And straws, sticks, and wheels from old toys. This is that's your 3-meter track, right? And the door is the finish line. Okay. And that's the finish line. And this is the compressor that's put in the air into bottles, and that's the nozzle. Nozzle, compressor, and dogs. Alright, so we'll get started. Good, try again. Almost got across the line. Nobody's gonna get it except for you. Nice, you just gotta hold it straight and you'll be good. Oh, you can't block the camera. You gotta let it finish first. Almost just a little straight only because it. Oh, that was nice.
Okay.
Let's do it one more time. Ah. Nice. It veered off track a little bit, but it still made it across the line.
That hit my crooked piece.
Nice, but everything all in all went pretty good. What do you guys say? Was it a cool project?
This is alright.
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 Also, Mom did like 1% of the project. We did the rest, yeah.
Yep.
Don't forget Dad also helps.
Dad also helps, yes.
Yes,
I
yes.
have an alright.
Give me credit. Alright.
I did just give you credit though.
Okay. Don't forget to tell him like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm here every day, basically.
Sup, he just said it.
And that's it for the day. Doop 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 doop.